And a big day coming up in the trial of FTX founder Sam Bankman-Fried. The testimony of former Alameda Research CEO and his former girlfriend, Carolyn Ellison. Yahoo Finance's Alexis Keenan is here with a look at what to expect. Alexis.
Yes, Josh, a consequential potential day. Tomorrow, Ellison is expected to testify in that criminal trial, and she's expected to testify against Bankman-Fried to say what she knows about the hedge fund's relationship with the exchange FTX. Now, we learned last week during the trial that Alameda had really unfettered access to FTX's customer funds. Now, prosecutors say that Ellison and Bankman-Fried both knew that Alameda was illegally tapping into FTX customer funds for these uncollateralized lines of credit, margin deficits, all that they said they knew they couldn't repay. Now, Ellison started for Alameda working there as a trader in 2018. She then began leading the company as its CEO in 2021. She has since pled guilty to multiple felony charges. She is awaiting her sentencing after cooperating with prosecutors. And also other top lieutenants of FTX and Alameda that we heard from last week, they carried some of these same stories. One of those was FTX co-founder Gary Wang. He was a software developer at the company, and he testified that back in June of 2022 that he and Caroline Ellison, as well as Bankman-Fried and other insiders, that they had a meeting over what amounted to an $8 billion negative balance sheet for Alameda. And according to Wang, Wang said that it's Bankman-Fried who told Ellison to go ahead and repay Alameda's lenders using customer funds. Now, the problem there, of course, is that that wasn't possible without using customer funds, that they would have to tap into Alameda's coffers in order to make those lenders whole. Now, we'll be listening tomorrow for Ellison's testimony about what she says Bankman-Fried knew, but a lot to still be learned about this collapse tomorrow as Ellison, I believe she's now 29 years old. And as I said, she's awaiting her sentencing according to her testimony. Prosecutors will then write a letter when it's time for her to be sentenced, saying whether she did, in fact, help the prosecution go ahead and prosecute its case against Bankman-Fried. Guys?
Well, I imagine that information will be helpful, and we'll be monitoring it. Thanks to you and getting an update on it. Thanks so much, Alexis.